So this is the Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 ARGB 3-in-1. So this is the specification. With the controller, certified compatible with Asus Aura, ASRock RGB, and MSI RGB motherboards. So what's in the box? So let's see. So the 3 packs of fan. So inside this box, let's see what's inside the box. So this would be the remote of the fan. So you can press this and change the colors. The connectors. So this is the most important of all. Screws and some cover. So first is how to install the fan to your CPU. So first is look for this one, this cord. So this connector, this 3-4 pin connector it will connect to your 4-pin system fan. Then these 3 will connect to your fan. So first is this remote, connect it to your this cable. Then this one will be in your power supply of your computer or of your CPU. Then this one will go to the last fan. So first is look for this cable and connect to your fan. Then connect each fan. So you can see the arrow. Just connect them. You can use this cover for safety purposes. So the cable from the remote, this one will connect to the last fan. Then the other end of the cable will be connected to your power supply of your computer or of your CPU. Then this one that connects the three fan will place or connect to the system fan of your CPU.